All right, let's put it to the test on this old smoker. I'm also gonna take it camping with me this weekend where we'll have one of those public grills, which will guaranteed already be dirty. So this will be really helpful for that. All right, I did check it. That on low is 400 RPM, 600 and 800. I'm gonna run it on 800 right now. Might as well use the light as well. Oh yeah, it's cutting right through that grease and fat. Yeah, very nice. All right, that makes pretty good, quick work. Brushes look good, and man, so much. That's pretty good. All right, so then it looks like you can just take this off here. Yeah, look at that. Clean that, brush this out. This electric grill is gonna be perfect outdoors, but also it might be good indoors if you have like a griddle on your stove. Look at that, it's dishwasher safe, that's cool. I think it's gonna be a little bit more multifunctional than you first give it credit for. So let me just open it up and let's see what all is included. User manual, good English. It's gonna be pretty simple to operate, but it does look like it's in good English and good pictures, so that's helpful. All right, here, oh, okay, there we go. We actually have a manual grill brush as well. Wasn't expecting that. Cool. Here are the batteries. I read about this. They are two 2500 milliampere batteries, and these are rechargeable via USB-C. So that's kind of cool. 5,000 milliamperes for a device like this. I mean, that's going to last a long, long, long time. Kind of seems like overkill, but I'll take it because I don't want to be charging this all the time. All right, what else we got? We got some gloves. That's nice. Man, they got all the extras in here. There's the brush itself. Look at that. Yeah. It's going to be great. Okay. A little guard there to keep it from slinging back on you. Okay, it looks like we got a low, medium, and high. I believe that's 300 RPM, maybe 400, 600, 800, I think. 800 RPMs as high as it gets. Oh, there's a light as well. That's cool. All right, we'll charge that up and see that. So it's power and then light. Battery goes in the back, obviously. Man, they've thought of everything. Wow, that's really bright too. Okay, turn that on. So that starts out on low, medium, high. All right, so that's 800 RPM. Cool. And then off. All right, let's take it outside and I'll put it to the test. See what else is in here though. We've got your USB-C to USB standard on that end. And then what is this? Oh, an extra brush. Good. Okay, cool. Again, these can be thrown in the dishwasher, and but you got two of them, so that's really cool.